Yesterday, we STPOs were called by Honorable DGP Goa, and he has given strict instruction to take some measures so that the accidents and fatalities can be prevented. So, in my subdivision, I had a meeting yesterday with my PIs, wherein I had given instruction that there will be a civil policeman roaming with the mobiles, and they will click the photographs of the violators of the MV Act. If I am moving without helmet, he will not stop. He will click the photographs. He will send a report to my office, and we will send it to the high-speed traffic sir. From there, the challan will be issued. So it is like Sentinel. We had the Sentinel scheme. Similarly, we have started in our division where policemen in the civil will click the photograph of the violators of the MV Act, and with the effect will be coming to know after 10 days when notice will go at their residences. This is the one measure we have done. Secondly, like we have we are made 3 points per police station where 2 sub inspectors will be there, and they will issue a challenge to the violators. And these locations of the booking of the cases at different places. If we book the same places, the violators come to know that they wear the helmet, they cross, and then again remove the helmet. So these are the strategy we are trying to adopt. We have adopted, and hopefully with this action, the better sense will prevail on the person who are roaming without helmet and who are found going triple seat, who are doing the jaw riding with the modified silence and all that. So with this, we will have a will looks like it will have some deterrent effect. So that's what we are trying to do in our division so that this accident can be prevented. Valid information that that's some suspicious activities there in the villa at Marna. Accordingly, my office issued a search warrant, and I have issued a search warrant, and then the raiding team conducted a search of the premises, wherein about 470 vials of the ketamine was found, and it is about 2 kg, and the value is about 23 lakhs. And charas is found about 200 or 300 grams. And we have Anjuna Police has booked the case under relevant provision of NDPS Act, and we have carried the investigation and interrogation of the accused person. And as per the preliminary investigation, he told that that drugs has come from the courier, and the one guy from Delhi has sent it. So our team are investigating such this second level of source finding. This to second level we are trying our level hard, and the team will shortly go to Delhi for further investigation.